AFI Technovative Solutions has successfully completed 21 solar energy projects as part of Ummah Foundation UK's Solar Support Program, a 34 million PKR initiative aimed at providing sustainable and cost-effective power to Madaris across the region. Each installation is equipped with 585 N-type high-efficiency solar panels designed for superior performance and long-term energy yield. To ensure uninterrupted power, Solis hybrid inverters are integrated with BYD's industry-leading batteries, providing a reliable backup during outages. The elevated structure design enhances system durability, protecting it from environmental factors while optimizing energy absorption. By leveraging advanced solar technology, AFI has significantly reduced the operational energy costs for these Madaris, allowing them to focus on their educational mission without the burden of rising electricity expenses. This initiative not only promotes energy efficiency but also strengthens sustainability efforts within the educational sector. The administration of these Madaris warmly welcomed the AFI team, recognizing the company's commitment to delivering innovative and long-lasting, sustainable power independence. For customized solar solutions tailored to your needs, contact AFI Technovative Solutions